it was, sitting in my carport as I returned home in the wake of running out for errands. A brilliant Curacao Blue McLaren 570S, all digged for the following couple of days. I established my run-of-the-mill first connection walk-around. My test auto was slathered in all the carbon fiber trim that the immense choices sheet brought to the table. The retractable rooftop plays out a beautiful mechanical tango while whooshing and humming its way into a little space only behind of the lodge. It looks similarly as lovely with the best down as it ups. The entryways open in a kind of dihedral way, once you make sense of where the handles are covered up, operating at a profit space underneath the body color swoosh at the best, and once they are completely erect, it's not appallingly hard to reshape yourself inside. Thus I did. For the following 3 days, I would utilize just the McLaren 570S to get starting with one place then on to the next. I went to the market, headed to supper, and influenced an impromptu to trip up north from Seattle to Bellingham. This is what I realized.